Front fender removal, 2000 Ford F150. You'll need to remove the headlights and side marker lights. These are covered in detail in other videos. Recommended tools will be a 7mm, 8mm, 10mm. We also used an extension, a Phillips head screwdriver, an 8mm wrench, a trim tool, and the tools to remove a front wheel. Start by removing the front wheel. Then remove the 4 screws holding the fender trim in place, located here, 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 and here. With the screws removed, pull out on the fender trim to remove it. You can now remove the inner fender liner. It's fastened to the fender with these 4 7mm fasteners located here, 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 and here. There are 2 additional fasteners located here on the rocker panel. Remove those fasteners. Use a trim tool to remove the plastic clips located here and here. There's 1 remaining clip located here. There's also an electrical wire clipped on here that you'll need to remove. Next, remove the sound deadening material from behind the fender. Behind it are 2 fasteners that hold the rear of the fender to the body, located here and here. Remove those fasteners. These fasteners are 8mm. Remove the 8mm fastener holding the bottom of the fender to the rocker. Next, you'll need to remove the front trim and grille, starting with these 2 Phillips head screws located here. You need to unfasten these 2 plastic clips located here under the side marker light housing. We used a trim tool. Next, remove the 6 screws holding the top of the grille assembly in place, located here, 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 and here. You will also need to remove the passenger side headlight and side marker bulb. The fastener for the side marker is located here. This is detailed in the headlight removal video as previously mentioned. Remove the headlight and disconnect its electrical connection. Do the same with the marker light. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws located behind the side marker light. Unhook the plastic retaining clips located under the side marker just like you did on the driver's side. You can now remove the front grille assembly. Remove the 3 visible 8mm fasteners holding the top of the fender to the body located here and here. With the front grille assembly removed, you now have access to this 8mm fastener located here. Remove it now. There's an additional 8mm fastener located here. Remove that as well. Another 8mm fastener is located here behind the front bumper. The final fastener is located here, under the plastic cowl cover. To access it, you will need to remove part of the cowl cover. Start with this Phillips head screw. Next, remove the windshield wiper. Pry off the cover to expose the retaining nut. It's 15mm. With the retaining nut removed, gently tap on the windshield wiper and pull up to remove it. Remove the Phillips head screw that was located underneath the wiper arm. You can now lift up on the cowl enough to access the final fastener. Remove the fastener. With the final fastener removed, you can now remove the fender. We found it came out after pulling the back part out first and then pushing it forward.